Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious prawn soup at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 500 grams of fresh prawns, 1 liter of quality chicken or vegetable stock, and 400 milliliters of creamy coconut milk. Don't forget fresh lime, fish sauce, and a selection of aromatic vegetables like ginger and garlic. Having fresh cilantro and spring onions on hand for garnish will elevate your final dish beautifully. Now, let's get started with the preparation. Begin by carefully peeling and deveining your 500 grams of fresh prawns. Remember to save those shells, they're packed with flavor. Next, finely chop 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger. Slice 2 red chilies and a few kaffir lime leaves. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and sauté these aromatics until they become wonderfully fragrant and soft. The heart of any great soup is its broth. To build a truly flavorful base, add your reserved prawn shells to the sautéed aromatics and cook for about 2 minutes, stirring constantly. Then, pour in 1 liter of your chosen chicken or vegetable stock. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 15 minutes. This step extracts all the wonderful essence from the shells. Finally, strain the broth to achieve a clear, rich liquid. We're almost ready to enjoy our delicious prawn soup. Return the strained broth to the pot and stir in 400 milliliters of creamy coconut milk. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer, then add your peeled prawns. Cook them for just about 3 minutes, or until they turn pink and opaque. Finish by stirring in 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and the fresh juice of 1 lime. Serve immediately, garnished with fresh cilantro, sliced spring onions, and a drizzle of chili oil for an extra kick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.